Welcome to VAR India News Hour. 2022 to witness a new era for cryptocurrencies. Slump in the cryptocurrency triggered the world's largest digital asset to shed 17% during the last month of the year, putting it on track for its worst performance since May when it lost 35%. Other cryptocurrencies have also fallen during this period. For the third consecutive year, Bitcoin has outperformed both stocks and gold. Year to date, Bitcoin is up almost 65%. Meanwhile, the S&P 500, the benchmark index of the world's largest economy, manages 27.6% and gold is down around 7%. We can't deny the fact that digital money is the inevitable future and borderless global decentralized currencies are the future. Bitcoin and other digital currencies are widely regarded as a shield against inflation, mainly because of its limited supply, which is not influenced by its price. Bitcoin investors have witnessed a roller coaster ride in 2021 as prices went through a roller coaster ride. There was an initial surge from $30,000 to $62,600 by April 2021 as most risk assets soared on abundant global liquidity. But the lethal second wave of the pandemic and the movement restrictions caused prices to retreat to $30,000 again by July. Another rally ensued from then, largely led by investors looking at fresh pastures as stocks began flagging. This was the period when Bitcoin exchange traded funds were launched and many famous fund managers proclaimed that they would be including cryptocurrencies in their portfolios. This rally ended at $67,582 with the Chinese ban on all cryptocurrency trading and mining. Further, threat of regulatory action in other countries including India pulled prices lower towards $46,000. Despite this volatility, Bitcoins have trumped all other asset classes including stocks, bonds and gold. India has ranked second globally in the number of traders using the crypto trading platforms. As prices skyrocketed and tales of people who had more outsized returns began doing the rounds. The number of traders on platforms such as WazirX, CoinDCX, BitBNS and so on surged. According to reports, around 2 crore Indians are actively trading on the crypto exchanges and the number of cryptocurrency holders in India has crossed 10 crores. The RBI has had an important part to play in dampening the furor towards cryptocurrencies by repeatedly coming out with statements and reports on how private cryptocurrencies including Bitcoin pose a systematic risk and they are also prone to frauds and to extreme price volatility given their highly speculative nature. Market capitalization of the top 100 cryptocurrencies has reached $2.5 trillion. Cryptocurrencies could go through a quiet period while they wait for the directives from regulators of major economies including the US and India. Moreover, in emerging markets and developing economies, the advent of crypto has accelerated what we have called cryptoization, when these assets replace domestic currency and circumvent exchange restrictions and capital account management measures. Let's look into today's headlines in VAR India. Solana blockchain expected to turn 100% AI. Solana, one of the best performing cryptocurrencies in 2021, has been in talks about implementing AI on the Solana blockchain and making it 100% AI proof. This aims to automate transactions on Solana to the next degree than it was ever imagined. The new transformation of Solana will help the crypto reach new milestones in the industry. With the implementation of AI, blockchain can turn into a lot safer by ensuring safe software deployment. AI algorithms could make quicker monetary transactions and block deceitful practitioners. AMD's billion-dollar deal for Xilinx is expected to close this year. Chip company Advanced Micro Devices, that is AMD Corporation's $35 billion all-stock deal for fellow Xilinx is now expected to close in the first quarter of 2022. The company said in a statement, while we had previously expected that we would secure all approvals by the end of 2021, we have not yet completed the process. Our conversations with regulators continue to progress productively and we expect to secure all required approvals. New Redline malware can hack accounts and passwords saved in Chrome or Edge. Some IT researchers have warned internet users of the risk of having their Google Chrome or Microsoft Edge password hacked, especially employees who work from home after a recent security breach that compromised a business. The employees of this company did their work on a device shared with other people which was infected with a malware called Redline Stealer that steals information. The Redline malware steals sensitive account and password information from various websites, including information needed to access the company's VPN. The hackers then use the data to spy on private business data. Samsung launches world's first 4K 240Hz monitor Odyssey Neo G8. South Korean tech giant Samsung unfolded 3 new models of its monitor lineup for 2022. The first of these new monitors is the Samsung Odyssey Neo G8, a 32-inch display with the world's first 4K 240Hz panel. It also features a 1000-hour curvature and quantum mini LED backlight system that uses units that are 1/40th the size of conventional LED units. The other 2 models are Smart Monitor M8 and Samsung S8. RBI says public sector banks are considered as risky. The central bank's financial stability report said that the risk generated by the category of merged public sector banks is comparatively higher than the unmerged public sector banks. It further added that stress test results indicate that the system level CRAR may decline to 15.4% by September 2022 under the baseline scenario and to 14.7% and 13.8% under the medium and severe stress scenario respectively. Earlier, the government announced the merger of 10 public sector banks into 4 entities, but the capital levels of Indian banks would be way above the prescribed minimum level of 9% even in a severe stress scenario. That's all for now. Please like, share, comment and subscribe to Var India News Magazine. You can download the Var India app from Google Play Store and Apple App Store for the latest news and updates. Stay tuned. Thank you.